Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Happy Training Group. I'm from first semester PBIC English Department. Okay, I would like to tell about the general strategies for listening section. General strategies for listening session had 14 strategies. First strategies is be familiar with the direction. The direction on a very TOEFL test are the same, so it is not necessary to spend time reading and recording carefully when I take the test. You should be completely familiar with the direction before the day TOEFL test. And number second is we must be familiar with the computer adaptivity. This section the computer TOEFL test is adaptive. That means that you will start with a medium level question, and the difficulty of the question will increase or decrease depending on whether or your answers are correct. And number three is set the volume carefully before you start the listening section. And the next is the misdirection as sound coming up. And the five strategies is listen carefully to the spoken material. You will hear the spoken material on the time only. You might not repeat a spoken material during the test. And the sixth strategy is use a visual to help you focus on the context. As you listen to spoken material, you will see visual material on the screen. The visual information may help you to understand the context for spoken material as well as the content of the speaking material or listen. The seventh strategy is space yourself between the question. You will control when a spoken material is applied. You may take as much time as needed between a question. And the next strategy is to think carefully about a question before you answer it. And the ninth strategy is click on the answer on the computer screen when you selecting an answer. And the number 10 strategy is click on next and then click on a compare answer to record your answer. And the next strategy is do not spend too much time on the question you are answered up. And 12 strategies is be very careful to make a correct mistake. The next strategy is monitor the time carefully at the title bar of the computer screen. And the last strategy is do not read dumbly cause at the end and of section or complete at the question and the section before time is out. Okay, the next material I would like to tell about first skill in the TOEFL test. And the first skill is focus in the last line. And the focus in the last line is have a strategy. First strategy is the last line of dialogue probably contains the answer to a question. And the number second is listen to first the dialogues. If you understand that's good. If you don't understand it, don't worry because the probably there's a content be answered. And then the last strategy is be ready to focus the last line of the dialogue because it's probably content the answer. Repeat the last line in your mind or your strong answer in the text. Okay, the next skill is about what, who, and where. And the conclusion about who and where is common for you ask get draw or following conclusion in the sport a dialogue. The first strategy is who is probably attacking, and the second is where does a dialogue probably take a place. And the last skill is a passive statement. In the passive statement, we have two strategies. First strategy is if the dialogue contains a passive statement, the answer to the question often an active statement. And the second strategy is if the dialogue contains active statement.